Welcome back to Better Kansas City. If your windows or doors need to be replaced, this is the time of year you're likely noticing it inside your home, right? From drafts to condensation forming between your panes of glass. We have David Reber of Renewal by Andersen here to tell us how they can help. Now, David, welcome to the program.
Yeah, thank you.
You guys are the full service replacement window division of Andersen Windows. So what does that mean for me as a consumer?
You know, with other window replacement projects, you're often the general contractor for the project.
Yeah.
You have to go out and buy the windows, you have to find and hire a reliable installer, and then you have to manage the installation schedule.
Yeah.
Renewal by Andersen offers a one-stop shop.
Beautiful.
We control every aspect of the project, from sales to manufacturing to installation and warranty. We've completely eliminated the middleman from the equation, giving the homeowner peace of mind with one-stop accountability.
Beautiful. Everything under one roof. That's fantastic. Yeah. So I know you have some stuff here you want to show us. What makes your windows different from everybody else's?
Yeah, well, this is vinyl window.
Okay, so this is what everybody else would sell.
This
here,
is
right?
what most companies are using, are vinyl. And you see how flexible and pliable that is? Feel that.
Point that down here so everybody can see those inside channels, how they just kind of bend over like that, right?
It's a misconception out there that vinyl is a good window material.
Okay.
But it's plastic, and it's 100% plastic. It's flexible, and over time with the elements, it can crack and warp.
Yeah, I mean, when it gets really cold out here like we have in these Kansas and Missouri winters, I mean, that can snap pretty easy too, you know? I've had that happen.
Absolutely. This is our Fibrex material.
Okay.
So,
Fibrex?
Fibrex.
It ain't going anywhere.
It's an exclusive composite material made for Renewal by Andersen windows.
Is that composite material similar to what some of the decking material is made out of?
Same philosophy, same concept. This was created by Andersen. It's much more rigid, much stronger. It's 2 times stronger than vinyl.
Okay.
And it won't rot or warp or crack or bow over time.
Yeah.
It's just a beautiful material to make windows out of.
Okay.
It's actually gives you the look of real wood windows without all the maintenance.
It looks really sharp there. Now, I know you guys have a big Black Friday sale coming up. What do our viewers need to know about that?
Yeah, right now we have our best dollar off promotion of the year. We've got $350 off a window, $865 off every patio door. And Bill, we've got 0% down, 0 payments, and 0 interest for 2 years. You can have your windows and doors installed for 2 years without even paying for them.
Oh, I like that. All right, well, let's talk about glass now. What does the glass, or what can the effect of the window glass have in your home's overall comfort?
Yeah, most people think that all window glass is the same, but that's actually not true.
Okay.
And having the right glass in your window can make a huge difference on the performance of the window. Renewal by Andersen uses a high-performance Smart Sun low E4 glass.
Wow.
It's actually 49% more energy efficient in the winter when you compare it to standard dual pane windows. It's designed to keep your home warm in the wintertime and cool in the summertime.
All right. Well, you know, when I think about windows and you know, you want to make sure, obviously, your seal and everything of the window frame is solid, because you can lose a lot of air there too. But then the energy that you save and the efficiency that you get from that better construction of the materials, you know, in your window is big. It's huge, right?
Every detail makes a difference. And one of the things that we actually add to our glass coating is silver oxide.
Yeah.
Silver oxide blocks 95% of the sun's dangerous UV rays, which causes your drapes and your furniture and your flooring to fade over time.
Okay, excellent. Well, David, we appreciate you being here today. Thank you very much for your time. And if you guys want to find out more, here's a special look at the special again. It's happening now, and it's through November 29th. You can call 913-228-3311 or visit renewalbyandersen.com to schedule your free, no obligation window and patio door diagnosis and lock in this incredible offer. Belinda?